Food waste is the most annoying thing as they will quickly go bad, especially in the high-temperature kitchens. It also smells bad and breeds bacteria and many other harmful substances. But in this modern, clean, and neat kitchen, all these problems are resolved because of a food waste disposer is installed in the kitchen. You just need to push the food waste into the sink like this. They will be cleaned out after a few seconds. The only thing you need to do is to turn on the water tap and then turn on the food waste disposer. All the food waste will be gone. Through food waste disposer, the food waste becomes tiny particles that's suspended in the water, and they will be washed away through the water pipes. You just need to press the button. All the food waste are gone. Food waste disposer can deal with the vegetable, fruit, bones, eggshell, leftovers, and different kinds of food waste.